is one of the most powerful gangs in the world.
How far can they go back and catch someone?
The IRS, man, it's not even a realistic time. It's the IRS, bro. You get what I'm saying? It's one of the most powerful gangs in the world.
Okay.
So like seeing that everything that goes on and how the society operates, man, it's just like cover your ass. You get what I'm saying? Like just make sure that you're doing everything that you got. You doing it right. I was taught like never play with three letters, the I, the R, and the S. You get what I'm saying? And I find it so mind-boggling that people want to play with them when it came to PPP, when it came to the unemployment, when COVID was here, when it came to all this stuff, and like y'all really finna play in these folks' face? Like you really finna play in these folks' face that got access to everything.
I think a lot of people just think they're invisible to Uncle Sam.
They think they too small, huh?
Yeah.
They like, oh, look, $20,000, $30,000 ain't gonna hurt the government. Man, they coming for all of that. You get what I'm